job, guys.
One more time.
Edgar and Mandy, looking to your left.
I wish I knew why Benita. Like, I can understand the horrific idea and the ambition that comes along with, you know, on the medical side of things, but on the personal side, I still am left dumbfounded. Like, how did he think it was going to end? How, you know what I mean? And how someone like that ultimately looks at themselves in the mirror at the end of the day.
Wow. Well, it's a great question.
Oh, girl. I wish I knew the truth about how they built the pyramids.
I'm a little bit perplexed by how the YouTube algorithm works. I'm not so convinced by it. I think that there's a man behind the curtain, and it's not me. But I'd appreciate a little more nuance, a little more dynamism. You know, it's a bit of a bludgeon right now, so that's a truth that I'd like to inquire about, or a change maybe that I'd like to see in the world.
The meaning of life.
I think I'm not here and I'm just
Everyone write down